last year, having won the Asia Oceania Championships the month before. 2:47. This is for having missed a world record attempt at 2:45 in round one. .247 to get on the board for a new world record. Oh, he has smashed it! Absolutely, well and truly. A new world record. Henk Beijer adds 3 to his mark from 2. That winning him the gold. 2:53 right at the end was too much for it. But he is world champion for the first time. That's significant in its own way. And a new world record of 2:47 to go with it. He is the Asia Oceania Asian Para Games and now world champion, and is the first ever powerlifting world championship gold for Mongolia. A little bit of history. He'd won his country's first ever World Cup gold. Now it's World